to customize quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy A57. First of all, you will have to just open it, and now you will have to click here on this icon. And what you can do here, first of all, you can change the size of all of those tiles by using those simple lines, even like this. There we go. And you can also remove those tiles by clicking on this minus icon. What you can also do, you can change its position by clicking, holding, and then dragging this wherever you want. So that's actually quite simple. Next, you can click on the edit button if you want to change those shortcuts here. And if you want to add here another control, you have to click to add control. Click on it, now click and hold it, and drag into that one, release, and now as you can see, it will be available here. We have to click done, and that's basically it. What we can also do by going into the panel settings, we can show quick panel on the left side. We can also reset quick panel, for example, by clicking on this button, and that's basically how it looks.